Today's video, I show you guys how to permanently disable automatic updates in Windows 11 using a working method in 2026. All you have to do is open up Chrome and search Chris Titus tool. Check the christitus.com, scroll down and just copy this first command and go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as administrator. Just use the Ctrl V to paste it and press enter. Once this opens up, go to Updates tab and check Disable All Updates option. And you just need to wait for these commands to done. We have successfully disabled all Windows updates. Restart is required to take full effect. Just close tab here and restart your PC, guys. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.